Hey guys, my name is John. This is your brother John. I do all kinds of jewelry CAD designing. If you're looking forward to learn how to make this in CAD, that's what I'm gonna teach right now. Hopefully, this should take less than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna be very quick about this, and you can just pause the video if you wanna rewatch it again and see how I do this in CAD. Now, if you have a matrix 9, matrix 7, or Rhino, you can definitely follow these steps. So that's basically how I do it. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and delete these. Okay. We're gonna go start with size 7. Let's say we're gonna do a 1 carat 1 carat diamond, just the basic size of this, and we're gonna put it up. Okay, so from here what we can do is we can go looking down view, we can draw a circle. Alright, just about same size on your diamond. We're gonna base this on green. Alright, and then from here we can draw another line from the center, and then we're just gonna put it right over here, right here. Okay, then from here we're gonna split this to a quad over there, and right over here press enter. Now you can just delete this because we don't need it. And then now what we can do is we can do a blend, adjusted blend curve from here then to here. Alright, so if we look at it from top view, that looks pretty good to me. Just press OK. Then now we're gonna join this. Alright, then from here what we can do, so we're gonna save this file right now, so that way we don't have to redo it if our program crash. We're gonna save it for a minute. So from here what we can do here is we can do a curve from two views. So you're gonna have to click these lines that we made here, this curve, and then your ring rail is your finger size, and then click curve from two views. Alright, and there you go. You have this, and then you're gonna get this line, and this line is basically gonna be your rail. Okay, we're gonna color it by green, and now we can make a profile from here. So the profile, what we can use this profile right here, just all soft corners. We make it this 2mm by 1.5, and then from here we're gonna add another profile going this way, make this a little bit thinner, put it up about, there you go, maybe 4.8. Alright, and then we're gonna add another one over here on this side right here. There you go. So we can, and then we're gonna add a last one over here. This last one, you can make this a little bit thinner, maybe up to 1.1mm. Alright, okay, alright, and then press enter. So now you're gonna get this, you're gonna have 4 profiles and then your rail. Okay, so now we can save this again. Now let's make sure that we turn off our history. So right here we have Rhino history, we have matrix update history, everything is on. Okay, so that way when we do our sweep, when we change something on our profile, they will follow. on what we wanted to do on this. Okay, so let's try this, see if this will work. So what I did is I just used sweep 1. Okay, there we go. So now as you can see, it's still a little bit crooked. What we can do here is we can rebuild the base. We can rebuild this, rebuild. We can do by 8 and 3. Okay, so now what you want to do is adjust this line right here, or this line right here. Okay, maybe not too much. Let's just adjust the lines that we have here. Okay, there we go. And then this one right here. Okay, it's still a little bit crooked over here, so what we can do here is adjust, rebuild the base again. So this will be like a trial and error. This is just part of the process, so that way we get exactly what we want. So we rebuild the baseline that we have here, the drawing, the curve that we have, and then we can adjust it little by little. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. That's not too bad. Yeah. It's looking good. It's looking that bad. So now we're gonna rebuild the profiles that we did. We're gonna make this 20 by 3. All of these profiles. I'm gonna rebuild it, so that way it's more smoother. You see how they all change. There we go. Now if I'm going a little bit fast, so you can just pause the video, the tutorial, and then try to pause it and then just rewatch it again. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this very quick, so that way it's not gonna be too long for everybody. It's just a very quick video on how to make this bypass, on how I make it. There's a lot of approach how to make this. There's a lot of designers out there, they do it differently, I do it differently, but you do what works for you. That's all I can say. Like what I said, my name is John. You can call me Brother John. I'm here to help you on CAD in every way I can. So now we have that profile. So we have this profile now. We have this sweeping that looks pretty good, right? So now what we can do here is we're gonna rotate copy. We're gonna right click on our rotate copy and then press F4, and what we'll do is gonna copy all the way over there on the other side. Alright, so now we don't need this part right here, so I'm gonna cut that. So what we only need is this part right here, this part right here. So we're gonna draw a line this way to this way to here, and then we're gonna cut that. Alright, you see how we cut it. Alright, so now what happens if it looks like that, right? So what you can do is we're gonna close this one first. Close it. We use a cap planer, and now it's closed. See how it's closed. What we can do is we're gonna squish that a little bit. We're gonna use transform, bounding box, C-plane, and we're just gonna adjust it little by little. See, now it's right there. Alright, And then we're gonna adjust it down. We're gonna adjust it back up. There we go. There you go. Look, it's stuck in there. It's nice and smooth. All right. And then from here, what we can do, just copy this profile. Copy this profile, this right profile right here, and then we're gonna sweep that from right to left, and there you go. There we go. And then we can save this now, and then you have your bypass. It's pretty simple. Yeah, very simple. Now if you want to edit more on this, you can adjust the profile, but that's basically how I do it. So we have 1 2 3 4 profiles that we use, and then we have this curve from 2 views that became our rail, and then we just use sweep 1 to sweep all of them, and there you go. And then once you render it will look like this. Yeah, I hope you like it. Again, this is your brother John, and if you need help in CAD, if you need help on anything about jewelry designing, feel free to email me. I'm gonna put my email down below, and yeah, if you like this, please click like and subscribe if you want to learn more in the future. I'm gonna keep uploading videos from now on, so that way hopefully my son can use it when he grow up. Yeah, all right, thanks guys, see you guys next time. Peace out.